Hi, are you looking for a new and exciting way to spice up your old and static PDFs? To add more life to your content and excitement to your readers? If so, this video is for you. Learn all about interactive flipbooks and how they can bring benefit to you and your customers. Hi, I'm Kelly, a digital content marketer here at .vu, and today I'd like to talk to you about interactive flipbooks, so that way you have a better idea of just what they are and what they can do to bring your content to the next level. First off, we know what a PDF is and how it is packed with very important information for your employees, customers, and stakeholders. However, an interactive flipbook takes a PDF and turns it into an interactive experience where readers can engage with content that brings them closer to a real-life experience of flipping pages in a booklet or magazine. The potential of interactive flipbooks leads to many benefits for you and your business. First off, it is easy to convert a PDF into an interactive flipbook. This means that you can save time making your own interactive flipbook because you can use PDFs that you have already made. Also, you can grab the attention of your readers for longer with types of interactive content that is embedded in your interactive flipbook. Things like quizzes and games. By incorporating interactive experiences throughout your flipbook, you have multiple opportunities to engage your readers with various types of content that keeps them interested in your content for longer. Interactive flipbooks offer many opportunities also for you to gate content. You can collect valuable data about your readers to gain more insights into their interests and behaviors when you gate parts of the interactive flipbook or the whole thing. This is a great way to gain zero and first-party data that you can use later on when personalizing offers to these participants. Collected data can be optimized to create email automations by incorporating a lead form during the experience. Give your customer added value in your email newsletter to show them the value that they have to gain in exchange for giving their personal information, like name and email address. When collecting data based on KPIs, you can integrate this information in your own CRM system to maximize opportunities for communication with your customers or stakeholders, as well as when creating future promotional materials. You can also integrate product catalogs within your interactive flipbook to promote offerings to your readers. Allow your customers to learn more about your products and shop for them by including call to action buttons that allows customers to directly add products to their basket. With a product catalog, customers gain the satisfaction of a seamless buying experience while being educated on your offerings. This in turn creates a positive impact on your brand. There are different types of interactive flipbooks that work with both internal and external stakeholders. An interactive ebook is a lot like a regular ebook. The difference is that interactive ebooks are much more engaging because they contain interactive elements, such as gated sections, interactive videos, marketing games, polls, surveys, quizzes, hotspots, and much more. Interactive lookbooks are great ways to display your products in an informative and interactive way. The goal is to drive your visitors to your website and the products that they like into the shopping cart. Use storytelling to advertise your brand with an interactive story. Create different storylines and let your readers choose based on their own preferences and interactions with the story. Take magazines to the next level by turning them into interactive magazines that let readers get all the information they need about topics addressed in an article or people you want to promote. An interactive guide is a very productive way to show how your products work, since they allow you the option of integrating interactive content such as videos, polls, assessments, marketing games, and much more. Do you want to know the steps involved in creating your own interactive flipbook? Check out the description below for many great links on blog posts that talk about interactive flipbooks. You can also get inspired for this or any other interactive campaign by visiting the .vu Marketplace page to see templates of many more exciting examples of interactive content. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more information on how you can use interactive content to connect with your customers. Click the red subscribe button to get notifications of whenever we post a new video.